Hey everybody, I'm really excited this Advent to offer a few things to help prepare us for the coming of Christ in Christmas. And one of the things that I'm personally going to be doing is leading us in what I'm calling a little prayer workshop from 6:30 to 8 p.m. on Wednesday, December 6th. So this will be an opportunity for me to just share a little bit about my own journey of prayer and help give some guidance information on prayer. What's so important in prayer is that we have a deep relationship with Jesus and we're actually having conversation with God, both talking to God and then listening as well. And it sounds easy, but I don't think a lot of us do it very well, and we have trouble really hearing the Lord and responding to Him. So I want to give a little bit of talk and discussion on prayer and within our tradition, and then actually give us some time and lead you through some time to pray with the Scripture and really dialogue with God. So I think this would be a great way for us to prepare for Christmas and to enrich our prayer lives, which is such an important part of our journey of faith.